What if businesses could identify operational problems before they impact productivity? Across Uganda, companies are transforming operations with SAP Signavio. Many organizations still struggle with slow approvals, with manual reporting, disconnected workflows, and inefficiencies that reduce productivity and increase costs. SAP Signavio is an intelligent business process management solution that helps organizations analyze, optimize, and automate their workflows using real-time process mining. Banks in Uganda use SAP Signavio to improve customer onboarding, accelerate loan approvals, and enhance compliance processes. Manufacturing companies use SAP Signavio to streamline supply chains, reduce delays, and improve coordination between departments. Public sector organizations can modernize procurement and reporting processes while improving transparency and accountability. As Eastern Africa embraces digital transformation, SAP Signavio is becoming essential for intelligent process optimization and sustainable business growth. With SAP Signavio, organizations can reduce operational costs, improve efficiency, accelerate approvals, and deliver better customer experiences. As Eastern Africa embraces digital transformation, SAP Signavio is becoming essential for intelligent process optimization and sustainable business growth. Empower your organization with SAP Signavio solutions and intelligent process transformation.